Hello guys, and welcome to another video. After I did showed you my tire sticker video, today we are working on my front lip. It's right here. We already got this big plastic piece. I'm gonna go into detail where I got it from and how you're gonna be able to get one too. So I had a lot of people asking where did I get my front lip from, and to be honest with you, I built it myself, and up close it looks like shit. So today I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna actually use plastic instead of wood. I'm using ABS plastic. I don't even remember how thick it is. I'm not sure. I gotta look at my email. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's get started. So the easiest way of doing this for you guys that don't have one of these lips yet, take your bumper off. Of course you have to get one of these ABS plastic sheets. I got my ABS plastic sheet from some plastic company in Raleigh. I don't remember what it was, what the brand, what the company was called. But yeah, this is it. I paid $118 or something dollars. And I don't even remember the size. Let me get my measuring tape. It's a 4 feet by, I'm guessing 8 feet. Might actually be more than 8 feet. I think it's 8 feet. Yeah, 4 by 8. Actually, I can find out the thickness like this too. It is 1/4 thick. Yep, 1/4 of an inch. And that should be perfect. So as you can see, it's a little bit longer and wider, but they don't cut to size. So I had to buy this big piece. You might be lucky. I found another company which actually was more expensive, but they could have cut it in the right size. Like they would have cut it like right here along the line. And I just had to cut these corners off. But this was cheaper because the other company wanted $130 something plus tax. So this was definitely cheaper. First thing you have to do is take off the front bumper of whatever car you want to build it on. I am building it for my 99 to 04 Mustang right there. And I already built one last year in the summer. I made it out of wood. As you can see, it looks like shit. And I mean, I didn't expect it to last long because I was planning to redo it with ABS plastic anyway. It actually lasted 10 months? Almost 10 months, yeah? So I'm actually happy with that. So now what I'm gonna do today is make the same thing out of ABS plastic. All you need is the plastic sheet, your bumper to, you know, have like a thing where you can align it to. And I use these rods up front. You know, like all these race cars have struts, rods, whatever they are called. And these bolts to bolt it into the bumper. So now all I have to do is remark my areas. I'm probably gonna cut it different here because I really don't need all this. I can cut all this off. Probably gonna use the shiny side. Like every ABS plastic sheet company, they have one shiny side and then there's one, yeah, the usual grippy side right here. I wanna use the shiny side. Let's get started. Oh yeah, what else do you need? I'm gonna use my jigsaw and I have, I think, a plastic cut thing. Fast cut wood, clean wood, down cut, thin metal. Maybe I don't have plastic. I'm just gonna use the thin metal one then. I mean, it doesn't really matter as long as it cuts through it. Cut wood. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. If you don't have a jigsaw but you have a what is it called? A Dremel. You can use a Dremel with a plastic cutoff wheel. I have some of those as well right here in this box. This should be here. Easy lock cutting plastic. That's how they look like. This plastic wheel. I'm gonna use the jigsaw, or at least see which one works better. I'm gonna try the jigsaw first. So now let me put you guys down somewhere and then I can start on this journey. Okay, so first, flathead screwdriver. That's what I'm gonna use to mark my area that I have to cut. I'm gonna clamp this down so it doesn't move while I'm doing this. The thing is kind of dusty right here. You're in the video, by the way.
Oh, shut up. You're gonna edit that out.
I'm not editing shit out. There you go. You can see. Okay, anyway.
Next up is...
Next step is, actually I forgot to drill 2 holes, so I gotta drill 2 more holes. Now we're gonna take our handy dandy
jigsaw and cut these lines.
Mustang.
There's two of them.
God, this one sounds so fucking nice! Now I have to go inside and switch that switch again because I used too much power in the shed. Yay, let's go! Woo! Look, you cannot even see her. It's so dark in here. That's what I get.
Yeah, we're being racist.
Crazy, right? Doggy! What up, doggy? She's hiding her face. By the way, that card looks so naked now. Since we have no lip on there. I mean, it kind of looks clean, but I don't know. I don't think I could get used to that. So I guess now we're gonna switch over the safety switch again. And we'll be right back. We are back in the plastic sniffle. It stinks. It stinks. Now I'm not gonna turn the stupid heater on because that's what the issue is. The heater is using too much power. But we're almost done. Just got to cut this small piece right there and then we're good to go. I did it, Ma! Ma, I did it! Now, after we got that, wait. Yes, it's still recording. Now we got this done and we got all these beautiful plastic pieces right here. So we can break it off with our fingers for now and then we can file it down with a file or sandpaper because some of these spots are like hard to get off. So what I'm going to use is one of those biatches. Yeah. This one, just gonna grind that shit down and then I use the smooth side to cut everything else. God, my face like this.
It's reporting live from Channel 5 News. So is this the bottom? Alright.
Okay, it's a new day. Yesterday it kind of went late on me, so I'm gonna finish this off today. And yeah, pretty much everything I showed you is done now. So here we got the front splitter. I put some paint on it because you might have seen yesterday, I don't know, because my fiance popped into the video too. And that kind of scratched up when I used the saw on it. So I painted it now and it looks a lot better. I mean, later on the car, it doesn't even, you're not gonna realize it. The same for the little trash that's in here. I can try to polish it out, but I don't really worry about it because it looks clean enough. Cleaner than that piece of shit right there. So yeah, all I got left now as you saw yesterday, I drew my holes again on the same spots. I might have to figure one out over here too, because on the wood piece it bent down on the bag. I might be able to put a picture in here and show you. I'm hoping this doesn't fit on this, doesn't happen on this one. Now it is kind of wobbly. I hope this stays up. It is definitely more wobbly than the wood piece, but that shouldn't be an issue. So we drilled some holes, we painted it, we cleaned up the corners. Now all I got left is actually just put it on the car, and I have to wait for that one because I have to bring my fiance to work in a couple minutes, so I can't do it right now. But yeah, you will see us again when I put it on the car. 2 days later, guys, and we are finally ready to put it on the car. So that's what we're gonna do today. The weather is pretty nice outside, sunshine and everything. Welcome to North Carolina weather, I guess. So here it is. That's what we're gonna install now. So here we got the board, which is very flimsy. I just realized that. So hopefully that all works out. I got these bolts right here, and I'm gonna use 3 nuts each. 2 of those nuts are like these locking nuts, and 1 is a regular nut. I'm gonna show you how I did it, or how I'm gonna do it. So first off, bolt is gonna go through here. Now you will have to drill holes into your bumper. I mean, obviously, otherwise you can't screw this thing on. I already have holes in my lip. Let me show you. Maybe I can show you that. Where's it at? No, there. So I got a hole in here in the lip, then I got a hole in the bumper, so the screw is gonna go, the bolt is gonna go through this hole with the lip on, then there's gonna be a nut on this side, then the bolt is gonna go through this, and there's gonna be another nut on this side and on the top side. That's how I'm gonna get it on there. So I have the bolt right here. I have a nut down here that screws the lip and the lip and the splitter together. And I have 1 nut right here and 1 nut on the top that's gonna drill, that's gonna solidify pretty much the splitter and the lip with the bumper. And trust me, this is like very solid. With my old splitter, I scraped so much. And nothing fell off. Then we got 1 more down here. Sounds stupid too, but this also lets you adjust the splitter a little bit up front, so you can decide how straight or if it wants to go up like this, you know. Okay, good. Now they're all solid. Now I'm just gonna do the front rods. So you can leave the camera like this. Yeah, that works. So you can see I already have the holders up here. That's why you probably have to remove your bumper, because you have to gonna drill holes and put these in there first before you can do anything else. Now I wouldn't use a impact on that one, because I don't know how much these screws can withstand. So I'm just gonna use a ratchet. So that's how you do these. You have 1 right here, 1 right here. As you can see, I already scraped on that thing, so I'm probably gonna scrape on it again and grind it down the other way, but I don't really worry about it. That way it's at least the exact length. There we go. Now we got 2 more. 1 more, not 2. Why did I say 2? There you go. Done. That's it. Front splitter for this car finished. Now, you guys don't have to do it like me. For example, some people don't like how this is like super fat up here on the side, but I like how this is. Gives it a nice line with my side splitters. So yeah, that's it. This thing is now on here. I mean, it does wobble, but it doesn't fall off. Now I can wash this car and be done with it for today. Okay, there we go. That's it. And now I'm gonna wash my car and it is clean. Looks pretty nice. Definitely better than the wood version. Yeah, let me get all the cleaning supplies and then we're gonna wash this car. Well guys, that's it. Car's cleaned. Splitter looks nice, really nice actually. Very shiny, I like it. So if you guys like this video, give it a like. I'm already working on the next project for this car, which is the steering wheel. Probably not gonna make a video about it because it is tedious. But of course I will show you the end product on Instagram. I hope you like this video. Give me a like, share, you know, the usual. And we will see us next time. Bye bye.